Daddy, I had a bad dream again.
Is there a bad grandma again?
Yes. It's like something bad is about to happen to grandma.
No, come on, stop saying that. Nothing will happen to grandma, okay?
Okay, so please, can you call her?
Of course I will. I'll call her. Go and get ready for school.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay?
Thank
Be fast.
you.
I know that I'm down and out. I know that very soon I will join my ancestors. But I wish I don't join them with this excruciating pain. The pain is too much.
Mama, God forbid. You're not joining any ancestors. You're not dying. Please stop sounding like this, Mama.
Amarachi, haven't I tried? Haven't I tried? This leg has been like this for more than 1 year. This leg has been like this for more than 1 year with the pain that accompanies it. I am just tired. It's better I go. I'm all over.
Oh God, we your children we are here. I'll be bringing that money to make sure you are okay.
The worry is the more reason I should go. I see myself as a burden for my children. After the ancestors will come and take me. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired.
I told you it's not going to be possible. I've made plans already and I want to start executing them by next week. We made these plans together for Christ's sake.
This is not going to stop our plan. It's not going to stop it. This is a futuristic plan we're talking about. It can't be more important than a human life, please.
So what will I tell the people that I've already contacted?
Life happens. Tell them something more important came up. They won't roast you for that.
Oh, come on.
Baby, you're not saying anything. Baby.
Hi. Are you still here? You're supposed to be in school by now.
You're allowed to enter the school premises if you don't pay our school fees.
The school fees?
Yes. That's why you are here.
Honey? Honey? Please come. That's not possible. That's not possible. Babe, what happened? Why haven't you paid their school fees?
I gave it to my mother.
Oh.
Her sickness is getting worse. This is what I am trying to tell you.
How can I give you the children's school fees and you send it to your mother? What if there's no other money to give to them?
Baby, please, can you just stop talking to me like a child? I know there is money. And that is why I have been begging you. Of course there is money. That's why I used it first.
And we both know that we're saving that money.
What are you talking about? So if there is a life or death situation right now in this family, you will choose to save money rather than saving life. Are we even supposed to be arguing this? You know what? You can't be saying this in front of the kids. Come with your dad. He will take you to school, he will sort it out. try and call your sister again.
Mama, she's not picking.
Okay, are you the one going to call her?
She's not picking, no.
Just call her again. Just continue trying. I just want to know if there's any hope left for me anyway. If there's hope for me, I can walk away.
Mama, stop now. Stop sounding like this. You are too young to die, Mama. Stop. I'm praying that you will get better soon.
I'm tired of this pain. I am tired of this pain. The pain is even killing me. Let me just go. Let me just go.
I don't know why Auntie is not picking.
Tired. Hello, Kamaka. Tell Mama I'm trying. I'm trying my best. I don't know, but I'm still trying. No problem. Hold on, don't worry, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I will call you back, yes. Ngwa.
My guy, are you not ready? The agents are waiting for us.
Joe, ask them to go. I'll call them whenever I'm ready. Okay.
Well, you asked me to call him now.
Just ask them to go.
What's the problem? You don't look happy. What's going on, my friend? You're looking very sad and moody. Is everything okay? Is your family okay? Talk to me.
Everything is not okay.
What's going on?
Family problems are dealing with me. Joel, just don't worry. Don't worry.
Listen to me. Family problem no dey finish you, my brother. It's better we use this money to face this project before you tell me that the money enters somewhere and everything.
How do I access the money? I can't even access it without my wife. And she's insisting that I give her some money to take her mother abroad for treatment.
Do you have to go to abroad? We have good doctors here in Nigeria.
We've done this surgery like 2 times here in Nigeria, but it's not working.
So what are you going to do now?
I don't know, because the money they are requesting for is deducted from what I have right now. Then I can't even achieve what I've planned for.
This is serious.
Very serious.
This is serious.
Very, very serious, Joe.
My mother is dying.
You don't mean it. I thought the third surgery was successful.
It wasn't. She's gone. gradually going. And I cannot afford to lose her. Only this woman has suffered all her life. She suffered all her life raising us. This is the time she's supposed to be reaping from the fruit of her labor. It would be so unfair for her to die right now.
Honestly, my friend, you really spent a lot on your mother's health. So, what's the way forward? What do we do?
I need more money.
Hmm?
Yes, there is a corporation that is ready to give me the money. But they said I have to come with a high-end guarantor.
No, Lisa, stop it. You've borrowed money from 2 different places already. And I've been your guarantor in those places. You know paying this money will be difficult, right?
Well, like I told you, I'll be able to pay it. Trust me. I can see, I'm not stupid. There is no way I'll go borrowing money when I know I cannot pay it. I have a means of paying it, just that it has not matured yet.
I know you can pay, but this is too much. Every day you're talking about borrowing money from here, borrowing money. It's getting too much.
Listen, this time around we're talking about saving a life. It is my mother's life we're talking about. Please.
So what are you trying to say? I've not tried? I've equally spent my money on your mother's health.
That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying help me this time. This last time.
This is too much. Please, I can't.
This last time. I beg you.
God bless you. You're welcome. Thank you for always bringing firewood for me. God bless you.
You're welcome.
How is your mother?
Mama, my mother's health is getting worse. And she hardly sleeps these days.
Hi. God, please. Let nothing happen to my friend. Please. Eh? This woman has suffered enough. This is time for her to enjoy her labor. Please, heal her. Eh?
Mama, the problem now is that we don't have money to buy her medications.
What? Why didn't you tell Mona Lisa?
Mama, we called her, but she says she's trying to raise up money. I don't understand.
It's okay. Just wait, I'm coming. Yeah? Come. Give this money to your mother.
Mama.
Tell her to use it for her.
It's okay,
It's okay.
God bless you.
Bless you. Yeah? Give it to her, eh?
Okay.
Tell her to use it for her treatment. Nothing will happen to her.
Using this?
No. You can give it to her, please.
Mama,
Please, my regards to her.
Okay. She's here, Mama.
It's okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay. God, please, so this woman has suffered enough. Eh? Now that it's time for her to enjoy the fruit of her labor, let nothing happen to her.
Life is harder on us. We are struggling to survive. No help at all. No help at all.
Babe, why do you want to drown yourself in your own tears? Or do you think you can cry your mother a river?
How can I be happy when I know my mother is gnashing her teeth in pain?
How do you expect me to be happy?
You're not taking it easy on yourself at all. At all. No one's life is in the hands of another man.
But we can at least try. There is something we can still do. Let's try.
But we've tried. We've tried saving your brother's life. I mean, we've spent over 4 million naira on her health. We've tried.
But there is still something we can do to save her. Maybe we can still do something. It's not like we've exhausted all possibilities. I will not forgive myself if my mother dies. I don't think I can survive it if she dies and knowing I didn't do everything I'm supposed to do. Knowing we have everything to take care of her, to do what it takes to bring her back. Please. Please.
So what do you want us to do?
Baby, I know we have over 40 million naira in that account. And I know we suffered to save up. But all I want is you bring out at least 10 million naira. Let's send my mother abroad so she can get cured. Honey, you still have a job. And I have a business. We can still save up again. We can still bounce back. As long as there is life, there is hope. But let's save a life first. Please. Baby, please. Please, I won't survive it. I won't survive it if my mother dies, and I know there is something we could have done. Please. Please.
Okay, now tell me, did you let her went to school today?
Yes, Dad.
We also heard you paid our school fees. Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you. Yes, I did. Glory be to God. But what I want you to do for me is to always read your book so you can come out the best in school and make your parents proud.
Okay, Dad.
Okay, Dad.
Okay?
Yes.
You promise me that?
Yes, that's
Good. Good. I hope you enjoyed your day in school today.
Yes, Dad.
Okay. And I'll go inside and rest.
You can pretend, you cannot pretend forever. 'Cause you're evil. What you're doing today, we hurt you tomorrow. This game is risky. You will fail woefully. Selaka if
How are you?
Mama, what is it? Is Mama dead?
No, she's still alive.
Baby, is this how you're going to welcome your sister that came all the way from the village to this place?
She didn't call me. She didn't tell me she was coming. Why are you here?
Sister, we called you several times, but you did not pick your call.
This discussion can be done inside. Or do you want to send her back to the village?
I mean, things like this start me. She should have called or tested.
Don't worry, hon. Huh?
Auntie, Mama said that you should come to the village, that she wants to see you for the last time.
What? She would see me for what?
Doctor, please, I need you to help me get the documents. My mother-in-law needs to get to India by this weekend.
Quite suddenly. Well, I'll try my possible best. I'll get ready soon.
Please, she's getting worse every day. I need to take her out immediately.
Well, don't you worry. I'll get her ready. She'll be strong enough. put everything there with you. So you don't have to panic so much, okay?
Tito, the thing is that if this woman dies, it's going to cause a lot of problems in my home. Please, I need her to get to India by weekend.
Well, don't worry. I'll try my possible best, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Baby.
Ah, babe, what's up?
Baby, welcome. What a day. You came back late. How was it? How did it go?
It went well. The documents are out.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Baby.
You guys will be leaving in 2 days' time.
Baby, are you serious right now? Thank you so much, baby.
You're welcome.
Baby, I love you.
I love you too. Katie, one okay, Messi, you don't call me anymore. You don't come to my house anymore. What's going on?
Brother, you know that since you opened my business for me, business has been going so well.
Really?
Yes. And I didn't see any need to bother you. Besides, I know that as a family man, you have a lot of responsibility going on for you.
I'm happy to hear that you're doing well. Yeah, it's a good thing. As for me, problems had so much. You can imagine I sent my mother-in-law to India for treatment, and that cost me a lot of money. A whole lot of money.
Exactly my point. You have a lot of responsibilities.
But it's okay. It's okay. How is life generally with you?
Well, life has been good. But I'm actually here to tell you that Mama is seriously sick.
Which Mama are you talking about?
But it's our mother. I have been talking to her over the phone and also I've been sending her some money, thinking that the sickness is not that serious. Until I brought her to the city.
Are you saying that Mama is in the city now?
Yes. I brought her to the city 2 days ago. And with the way things are going with her, I don't think she's going to survive it.
What? You're losing Kutua?
Yes, so good.
Hi. What is this? Oh, okay, I got Kukunka.
Sister, guess what?
Why are you so happy?
Since I just spoke to Mama now.
It's a lie.
Our mother.
Mama. What? Come on now.
Wait now, sister. I spoke to her on video call. And Ma stood up. I was walking without her walking stick, sister. Mama cannot walk.
Our mother. Our mother that the doctors gave up on.
I saw her walking. Like she kept the camera and was walking. I was seeing her. She was walking without her walking stick, sister. Ma cannot.
It's a lie. Come mama. Don't now.
Okay, wait. Chelu.
Come mama.
Sister, Chelu, my network ever and ever I draw the same.
Please God, keep my mother alive for her to enjoy the fruit of her labor. Never takarama fofonoa. Chupu get the begin do. Chupu kozere mo oche mama onyo. Chupu kozere mo nemo. Chupu kozere mama taka fofo. My money who got your back now? My mama. I come back on your girl. If mama no chop my money, who got chop mama? If mama no chop my money, they come where up on your girl. gọziere m oche mama m. Mama ọgaranya onye ọcha onye ọ ga-adịrị. Chukwu gọziere m nne m. Chukwu gọziere m mama taka afụfụ. Mama taka afụfụ. Onye ọcha onye ọ ga-adịrị mma. My money who go chop am na my mama. Akumbere onye ga-eri ya. If mama no chop my money, who go chop am? If mama no chop my money, they come where abonye geri. My mama, I come baraba onye geri.
I've noticed your mood since on our way back.
My mother is sick.
What? How? When? When did this happen? What is wrong with her?
She has cancer.
Jesus!
What? Doctor, how do we get such money?
Kate, money is not the problem. Let us pray that your mother gets well after the surgery. Okay?
Doctor, are you saying that my mother is going to die?
Okay, let's get this one down. Your mother has colon cancer. You see, Abanisio, she was wrongly diagnosed. And as a result of that, she has been receiving wrong treatment, which has already affected her kidney. That's the problem we have now.
Wow. Doctor, this is serious. I don't want my mother to die.
No, Kate. Look, you have to be strong now. This is the time for you to show your mother all the love, affection and support she deserves, okay? Be strong. She'll be alright, okay?
Chai. Nibogo. Ezibogo. Hey! I cannot thank you enough. I can't thank you enough for this opportunity you have given me to live again. Hey! For this singular thing you did for me, my God will bless you. Amen. He will elevate you. Amen. He will never lack. Amen. He will stand before you, behind you. He will envelop you. Everything you venture into will prosper. Amen. Hey! For doing this for me, my God will see you and understand you and elevate you. Amen.
Amen. Thank you so much. You know, it's God that blesses people and gives life. Yeah.
If you can't look at that, God gives life, okay? But you that I'm seeing here is the reason I am living in the land of the living now. God gave you the mind to help me, to give me opportunity to live again. How? I am grateful. I am so grateful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How? Nah, do you know the amount of money you spent?
No, it's nothing, okay?
Huh?
Your help.
Mama, I need you to understand that you are worth everything. Your life is worth more than anything, okay? And I pray that you would see more days, more years, long life in good health. Affliction will not rise a second time. You will live to see your great.
Yes, Israel. Hey! Thank you. My daughter. Everything that this man wants, you must give it to him. Everything he wants, he will get. She will double it. Hey! My dear. I need to share this happiness with my children in the village, your sisters now. And of course, my friend Ogoma, you know she was there for me.
her encouragement, her prayers, her money. Financially, she was helping me. She's one of the reasons I'm alive now. So I need to go and celebrate with them.
Yeah, it's a nice one, but she's not around.
Huh?
Yeah.
Where is she go now?
Yeah, she's at my sister's place, but she's not feeling fine. She's sick.
Oh, my sick?
Yes.
What is wrong with her, Kwanu?
Mama, the devil will never rest. He does not go on break.
Hey.
But one thing I know is we will always overcome. We are praying for her.
Hey, no, now she doesn't deserve to be sick. Eh? Hey. Okay, in your sister's place. I would have told. So what do we do now? Then I need to go to the village to see her now. She's in the village, right? Or is she in the town here?
In the village.
Hi. After helping me, she doesn't have to be
You get strong first, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Hey. I went to see the doctor this morning and he told me that if Mama's case is not handled well, that she might die.
Brother, that is why I'm here. So what do we do now? Because this Mama's health has taken a lot from me. This is beyond my financial capacity right now.
I don't know why all these things are happening now. I don't know.
We need to know what it will cost us to save Mama. We can't afford to let anything happen to Mama right now.
I don't know what is going on. I'm just devastated at this point in my life. I don't know what is happening.
Brother, Mama's sickness didn't start today. It's just that I didn't want her to bother you. I have been taking care of her all this while. So you have to drop whatever it is you're going through right now and let's focus on our mother.
It's okay, I've heard.
Before I forget, Mama said she'll want to come and stay with you so that she can have more time to spend with her grandchildren.
She said so?
You think I made that up? You can ask her yourself.
Oh, I need to talk with you.
I'm surprised. Oh, Nemo. Oh, I can't even believe it myself. I can't believe that me, Uzendo, is still alive in the land of the living till today. Do you know what? If you see the equipment I saw there, I have never seen anything like that in any of the hospitals I visited in Nigeria. And they rejected your mother. Mama, we don't know what else to do. Mama, this is your case, eh? Do you know that when the surgery was going on, that I was wide awake, like Molanya cows? Hey. I was awake with my eye open. I was even discussing with the doctor. Hey. It was like, and I did not feel anything like pain. It was after the surgery that I felt a little pain. Or do you know, like, it like this, like this. Or him do like this. The doctors in this country who get to this level. It's not about the doctors. It's about the equipment. Hey. Do you know that the doctor that carried out the surgeries in Nigeria? Ezibonyibo. Hey. Onyibo was the surgeon.
You can't put a meeting with skin.
Hey, I know everybody's fine, eh?
Doctor,
Yes.
please, if you know whatever is going to take us to save our mother, please let us know.
Then I suggest you take her abroad.
Abroad?
Yes.
Doctor, we don't have that kind of money for now.
Kenneth, we're talking about colon cancer here. It's not something you treat with good glove. First, we start with chemotherapy, where you get money ready for the surgery. But I'll tell you the truth, I can't stand here and beat my chest and tell you that no hospital here in Nigeria that can treat her.
Then we should start processing to fly her abroad.
That will still cost a lot of money. And our chances of survival is still 20%.
But doctor, why is this so? Why?
Cancer is a massive pandemic sweeping through the globe right now. Only lucky few people have been able to beat it. And more often than not, patients lose the battle. I'm not telling you to lose faith, but I want to understand you how it is so that you know what to expect.
Give it to me.
So what will it take to fly her abroad?
Hold on, pick it up.
Okay, doctor, what will it take to fly her abroad?
Looking at the ball figure of both travel expenses, visa fees, hospital visa, approximately 17 million.
17
million naira. If you don't have that kind of money, you can continue with treatment of the chemotherapy. At least that will elongate her days.
So we can start with chemo?
Yeah, chemotherapy.
Okay. 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 Kefilo.
Afufune terata nisimo eberene berebe nandumo. Please God, keep my mother alive for her to enjoy the fruit of her labor. Nemuno takara mafufunuwa. Chupu gerido begindu. Chupu kozere muroche mamamo. Chupu kozere munemo. Chupu kozere mama taka fofo. Mama taka fofo. My money who got your back now? My mama. I come back if mama no chop my money, who got chop mama? If mama no chop my money, they come where abo nyageri. My mama, I come baraba nyageri. Chupu kozere mu oche mama mo. Mama gana ya onyocha onyagade. Chupu kozere mu nemo. Chupu kozere mama taka fofo. Mama taka fofo. Onyocha onyagade ma. My money who got your back now? My mama. I come back nyageri. If mama no chop my money, who got chop mama? If mama no chop my money, they come where abo nyageri. My mama, I come baraba nyageri. Chupu kozere mu oche mama mo. Mama gana ya onyocha onyagade. Chupu goziere munemo, mama taka fofo, mama taka fofo. My money who go chop up now, my mama. I come back if mama no chop my money, who go chop am? If mama no chop my money, they come where abo nyageri. My mama, I come baraba nyageri.
Baby, why do you mourn the living as though they are in the grave already? This is not what Mama needs now. Eh?
So sad. There's no hope.
What do you mean by there is no hope? What are you talking about?
The amount of money the doctor is mentioning just to treat Mama is too much. I don't even know how to raise that kind of money.
Is that why you're looking so hopeless? Looking as if there is no hope in sight. But baby, I have always told you that as long as there is life, there is hope. There is nothing that cannot be fixed. As long as you have God. Cheer up. This is not helping matters.
My daily problem now is that even if we try our best and spend all that money, there's still a 2% possibility that Mama might still not make it.
Jesus. Is that what the doctor said?
Now you understand what I'm talking about.
Oh my God.
I'm at the verge of losing my mother.
God forbid. Nothing would happen to her. Huh? Jesus Christ. Baby, this is serious. This is serious. That means the cancer has hit deep into her.
Life is harder on us. We are struggling to survive. No help at all. No help at all.
I thought you'd gone.
I feel like going home.
You know what? Kafofu bwanyisi nuwa igekwe katala fufulu alamo.
I completely understand. But this is not what your mother needs now. She needs you and your brother to be strong for her. That is what she needs now.
My mother went through a lot to bring us where we are today. She went through so much. Watching her die slowly is terrifying me.
No, she's not going to die. And this is not a time for you to lament. Lamentation will not do anything for you. Besides, you're the first daughter of the family. You are the one who is supposed to stand in the gap for your family. Because if you leave it for my husband, that one, all he does now is cry his eyes out and drink. But you're the woman. This is a time for you to show why you are the Ada of this family.
Stop crying. Sit up. Stand in the gap for your mother.
I'm tired. I'm just scared. I'm tired.
I know, but you don't have to give up. You can't give up now.
Barman, sir, get me 2 more bottles. This thing is too small. Give me 2 more. I'll soon finish this, okay?
I wonder why you think alcohol can make you feel any better. It's just too much.
Jolly won't understand. I don't even know what to do. I don't even know what to start thinking.
You need to calm down, my friend. You really need to calm down. I know how you feel. I feel your pain, man. But you need your sanity so that you can navigate this period of time.
I never knew a day like this would come. A day when I would sit helplessly and watch my mother die.
My man, I feel your pain. Where? Now you supposed to bury your mama. No be your mama go bury you. So relax. I need your sanity, right? Please.
You understand. You won't understand what that woman went through.
What happened? Why are your faces like this?
Mama, that useless man went away with our money after we worked 4 days without payment.
I thought you said he's going to pay you people today.
That was what he said yesterday. He even came today. But as soon as he saw us concluding the job, Fiam, he left. Told somebody to tell us that he's going to pay us next week.
Hi. That is wickedness. Pure wickedness.
I don't blame him. No, I don't blame him. Yeah? If not that Nigeria is the way it is today, will I be working all these petty jobs? Will I be doing all these things?
It's okay.
Yeah? I came out with 2-1 from university and I'm doing all these things. I don't blame him, because the system is not working well. If it's working well, we should be doing good jobs. I might be in my AC office, driving my personal car and all that.
Nah, it's okay.
Yeah?
It's okay, please.
I don't blame him.
Please, don't talk like that.
And don't tell me not to talk like that. Don't tell me not to talk like that. Yeah? I want soap, I'll ask you. I want toothbrush, I'll ask you. Tissue, I'll come and ask you for money. Must we continue like this? Or suppose you do it. Eh?
I'm not complaining.
You're complaining.
I'm not complaining.
Eh? Even if you're not complaining.
It's my responsibility to take care of you people.
Is it supposed to be like that? Eh? Are we not supposed to be feeding you? Are you supposed to be giving us all the time? What kind of nonsense is this? Eh? Okay, to my mother. Eh? What is this? It's not!
It's okay. It's okay. Relax. Please. Stop all this so that you not hurt yourself.
You don't send me.
What is all this? See, the way you're going about this thing, do not hurt yourself. But listen to me. Before you will hurt yourself, I will kill myself.
Eh?
What is all this?
Mama, it has not gotten to that. Let me clean my things.
Haba.
It has not gotten to that now.
Better.
Now please, it has not gotten to that.
It's okay. Let me go inside and get something for you people to eat.
Please, it has not gotten to that.
It's okay.
There's not
Let me get you people something to eat. Tomorrow is another day. Yeah?
No problem. Mama will not give up.
Don't give up. Huh? Everything will be alright.
I'm going to give you a Nikita. I'm not supposed to buy food I give to her. Mama, what happened? This is the little food that remained in the morning and we left it for you before leaving.
Yes, I had the feeling that people will need it when you returned. That was why I didn't eat it.
Then, Mama, what did you eat?
I ate something else.
Mama, something else like what? Because I know there's no other food in this house.
Kenneth, better join Kate. You know how, look at her. Look at the way she's rushing the food.
Oh no! Have you asked Mama if she has eaten?
But if she said she has eaten now.
Were you there when she ate? Mama, take this one, eat.
No, Kenneth, don't worry yourself. My son, please eat. I have eaten.
I know you've not eaten anything. Eat. I'll put 3 spoons.
I have eaten. Just eat. Eat. Never call it for free how. Eat, my son.
Mama, can you eat?
I ate something else. I told you I've eaten.
Like what?
I have eaten.
The raw mango. Yeah? Can you eat the pan?
Afufuneterata nisimo eberene berebe nandumo. Please God, keep my mother alive for her to enjoy the fruit of her labor. Nemuno takarama fufunuwa. Chupu gerido begindu. Chupu kozere mu oche mababo. Chupuko zere munemo. Chupuko zere mama taka fofo. Mama taka fofo. My money who got your back? My mama. I come back if mama no chop my money, who got chop mama? If mama no chop my money, they come where about Yageri. My mama, I come back about Yageri.
Nna, what is the matter with you? Look so disturbed.
One of the companies I gave my CV called for an interview, but I don't even have money to transport myself to the company.
Hi, Kenneth, why did you tell me?
Mama, I thought I could raise the money by myself.
Just imagine. The opportunity we have been waiting for, praying for, is here. And you want to miss it just because of transport money. Are you serious?
Well, the last time I checked, I can remember that there was no money in this house.
Wait, I'm coming.
You're in, Aga?
I'm here. Kenneth, get up. Why are you stressing yourself?
Where have you been? Huh?
Nna, this is what I went out for. Take all this money. Please, tomorrow morning as early as possible, you will go for that interview. Use this money for transportation.
Where is this coming from? Hey, Mama, thank you. Mama, thank you.
It's okay, it's okay.
Mama, may God bless you. May God continue to bless you for me.
Bless you too. You are my son. Eh? Well, all I want is your happiness. You see this job, you are going to get it.
Amen.
Yeah?
Amen.
I wish you good luck.
And when I get the job and start making money, I'm on
I know.
Mama, you made you Oyaka. Hi.
You know what?
Sorry.
Open it, Babu, me carry this evening.
All right, Mama, thank you.
Nah.
Ma? Up one.
You are leaving already?
Yes, I have to go now so I'll get on time.
Did you pray?
Hey, she's up one more.
Kiki is no food here. You're going for a thing like this and you are telling me that you forget to pray?
Mama, if I get that, we'll pray.
No,
or inside the box.
I'll pray for you. Father, in the name of... Don't worry. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
You shall go in peace and come in peace.
Amen.
Whatever you are going for shall be successful in Jesus' name.
Amen.
I wish you good luck.
Life is harder on us. We are struggling to survive. No help at all. No help at all. To be the world, Kafufu Kwanisi, we go on. To be the world, Kafufu Kwanisi. Igekwe katala fufuru alapo Shubi igekwe Bless our lives. Igekwe katala fufuru alapo Shubi igekwe Bless our lives. Igekwe katala fufuru alapo Shubi igekwe Please bless my mama. Igekwe katala fufuru alapo Shubi igekwe Bless our life. Igekwe katala fufuru alapo Shubi igekwe Agaka bikene Aga fufu bizieno Agaka bizieno Chimo Aga fufu bizieno Agaka bizieno Chimo Aga fufu bizieno. Oh God, you said I should go to the world and prosper. You said again to me, in blessings you should.
Huh? Have you called your brother?
Mama, I've called him several times, but he's not picking. I guess he's still busy.
Busy? Busy up till now? Doing what? What is he doing there?
Mama, maybe he got the job. Oh.
If he got the job, let him tell us now. Eh? Call him again. If was in Ombia.
Life is harder on us. We are struggling to survive. No help at all. No help at all. To be the world, Kafufu Kwanisi, we go on. To be the world, Kafufu Kwanisi. Igekwe katala fufuru alapo Shubi igekwe Bless our lives. Igekwe katala fufuru alapo Shubi igekwe Bless our lives. Igekwe katala fufuru alapo Shubi igekwe Please bless my mama.
Mama, he's still not picking, no.
I said it. I knew it. I have this feeling that all is not well. I think we have to go and look for him. Eh?
Mama, look for him where now? Go and look for him. Mama, no, from where to where? Where do you want to go and look for him? Get up! Mama, now. But Ekene, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you that. What are you people doing here? How did you find me?
Do you know that if not that Mama kept insisting that she's having strange feelings, we wouldn't have come looking for you. We asked some keke men outside. It was one that told us that he dropped you somewhere around here. Kenneth, you want to kill yourself just because you couldn't get the job. Okay?
Mama, I don't know what to tell you, but...
Kenneth, did I tell you never to return home if you didn't get the job?
You never said so.
So why do you want to kill yourself? I have seen your plan. You want to kill yourself so that all my efforts, my struggle upon you will just go in vain, just like that.
No, not at all. Just
but I've seen you. Say no more. I know your plan. But put this at the back of your mind. Before you will kill yourself, Kenneth, I will kill myself first.
Hey, Mama, no, it has not gotten to that.
It has gone beyond that, oh. It has gone beyond that, Kenneth.
It has not gotten to that.
Since you cannot handle failure, you cannot rise and fight. Kenneth, you cannot fight as a man until you achieve your target. All my struggles are in vain because I'm going to tell you meaning. But one thing you should know is this: before you will kill yourself, I will have to kill myself too because Mama, I cannot bear it.
It has not gotten to that. Nothing will happen to you, so I'm sorry. It won't happen again. Makeo.
Kenneth, eat your food now.
I am not hungry. I told you I'm not hungry. I'm going to
Kenneth, the Leo, eat this food. Because if you don't eat this food, before you wake up tomorrow morning, you will not see me in this family. Just mark it.
Mama, it's okay. I'll eat. Nico, I'll eat.
What is this? Did I serve this food for you to start feeding my fowl? Why are you doing this? Please, my son, eat your food, you know. Is it because you couldn't get the job? You know, I'm praying for you. I'm your mother. And I have the belief that one day, all these things will become story. Oh?
No, don't worry. Please. Someday, I am going to make you happy and proud.
Hey, that is what I want to hear. And I believe that. Huh? Just eat your food. You know? Everything will be alright. Oh, now.
The first morning. Not cooking your boom the first morning. You make it now.
I know.
Okay. I'll make you proud someday. Very soon.
You don't know how supportive it is to have a mother like yours. I grew up in the presence of my both parents, but yet I trained myself through the primary and secondary school.
You see why I was pained. My mother suffered a lot. A whole lot. And she was about reaping the fruit of her labor. Before all this, I am supposed to build a house for her and take her out of that hut. And this is it. I'm just confused.
You keep saying that, but you don't know how rewarding is it to see you succeed. Your sister is doing well. You have a wife and beautiful kids. You are living well. And your sister too, she's doing well for herself.
And that's not the reason she should die of cancer. My mother is too young. She's too young to die of cancer.
But you know something? She's already a fulfilled woman. Having to support you through the hurt and ties of everything to become who you are. So wherever she is, she's happy.
Even the woman I'm married today, my mother brought her. She told me that she would make me happy. But I never accepted that at first. Mama, I can't take it. I don't think it will be possible. Yes, things have changed. Things are no longer the way they used to be in your own time. I'm a grown-up now, I'm a grown-up man. I'm able to find a woman by myself. Someone I love, someone I can marry, someone I'll find by myself. Not you finding a woman for me to marry. It's not now anymore.
I know. You are saying the truth, but what I'm saying is this. Not that I'm trying to find a woman for you or even force someone on you. All I want you to do is just see her first. I want you to see her. My son, and I believe if you see her, you're going to like her.
Well, I know why you're doing this. I know why you're doing this. You want me to marry your friend's daughter, right?
I value the friendship I share with Uzendo, but I can never trade your future at the altar of whatever I share with her. No, your happiness is what I want. I just want you to have a happy home, peace of mind. I can't do something that is going to hurt us in the future. No, now.
Yeah, I understand that you want the best for me. I appreciate it. It's a wonderful thing, but no, I have a woman in my life. I have someone I want to marry. Yes, I know you want grandchildren, but don't worry. You will get them soon. Okay?
Okay. No problem. All I want is your happiness. I want you to have peace of mind, a happy home. Yes, I need grandchildren. But I can't force you to marry someone that is not your choice. But my son, well, it's okay. No problem. I wish you good luck.
My. Anyway, it's unfortunate, Mama. Okay. Mama, I left this house barely 2 weeks ago, and you're not calling me to come back. What do you want? What is it again?
I am sorry, because just that I want you to see someone.
That girl again?
Who is talking about girl now? You told me you don't like her.
So who do you want me to see?
Calm down. He will soon be here. Go. Just
he? Okay. Mama, whatever, whoever, call the person, let me see the person and stop raising my tension.
Tension? Did you commit any crime anywhere?
No, I did not.
So why are you talking about tension?
Mama, it's not that I'm tensed. I want to go back to the city. I have things doing. I'm busy.
Okay.
Please.
Don't worry, he will soon be here. Just give me a few seconds.
I have things doing.
Cambia.
What am this time? I gave you 500,000. And 2 days back, I gave you 200,000. So what were you doing with all this money I gave you? What? Hey, no, don't baby me. Don't baby me, please. Do you want to wreck me? Do you want to render me useless? Huh? If you finish all this money, then what will I use to come and pay your bride price? Listen. Eh? If I love you, nothing is too much to do for you, right? Just watch what you're saying. Just listen to yourself. Now listen to me. Listen to me, my friend. In less than 30 minutes, I want to get my money back. I want to get that money back. Do you understand? Do you get me? Good.
Nna.
Mama?
Who was that?
Mama, don't bother about it. It's nobody. Don't bother about it. Mama, I need to get back to the city now.
No, my son. Please wait small. Someone is coming to see you and he's already on his way.
Mama, if I do not go now, I will lose a lot of money. I will lose a lot of money. I'll talk to you.
Hold on.
Oh, mommy, I want on this time. Please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Wow. Lisa, where?
Yes, Mona Lisa.
Oh, you've grown so big and beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Mama has been saying a lot about you.
Yes, she actually told me a lot about you too. Yeah, you're welcome. Oh?
Thank you.
Please, forgive my manners. Please sit down.
I thought you were in a haste. I mean, you look hastened.
Yes,
like
I'm
you're
actually.
going somewhere.
Yes, you're right. I'm actually in a haste, but I can spend some time with you. Okay? Please sit. Sit.
Thank you.
Yeah. Mona Lisa. I couldn't know here now, someone. Even without makeup. Damn.
Thank you, sir.
What about your mother?
She's fine.
We need to be positive about our healing. There's absolutely nothing God cannot do.
Where do I raise 17 million now? Where can I get that kind of money? Where? I wish the house I'm living in right now is mine. I wouldn't mind selling it off. I would have just sold it off.
I've come to realize something in this life. In every situation you find yourself, just do your best and leave the rest for God. Because if you die now, the problem won't be solved.
This is heavy. This is heavy on me. I just don't want my mother to die.
Then take the necessary action. Talk to your sister and anything you guys can come up with to send her abroad. Start up something. Commence treatment. What do you think?
Joel, what if we run out of cash? I mean, what if we run out of cash?
At least you'll be fulfilled that you've tried your best. You can't continue being this way. You have to do something. Please, stop drinking.
My mother went through hell. I just wonder what would have become without her.
She's a strong woman. If there is something I admire about your mother, it's her strength and her tenacity. Very strong woman.
Yes. Yes, she is. She's a fighter. She's our backbone. She made sure that we are on our toes to achieve success. She did so much for I and my brother.
Which is why you cannot give up on her now.
Which is why you have to stand up for her now, because this is the time she needs you. Like you said, she has always been there for you people. Now she's down. Who does she need? You and your brother, but you especially because you're the woman. This is a time for you to search inward, because there is a strength. There is this strength that every woman has deep down. When it is time, when you need it, you search for it and bring it out. You have to stand in prayer, stand in faith for her. Do you understand?
But this is a different case. It's not about standing for her. Even if we send her abroad, her chances of survival is very slim.
Can you just stop saying this? Don't you have faith? Did you even listen to what I just said? I don't care what the report of the doctors are saying. Whose report are you going to take? No, whose report are you going to take? Is it not the report of God? Is there a place God said to you that your mother is going to die? Because he said his word is yea and amen. And he said, we will live to declare the goodness of God in the land of the living. So tell me, where in the Bible did you see that your mother is going to die?
Kate, whose report is that? The doctor's report. Let me tell you something about this same situation when it happened to me. The doctors told me that my mother had no chance of surviving. In fact, at some point they gave up on her. But I did not. I said to myself, I'm not accepting this report, because I believe in only one report, the report of God. I stood in faith for my mother when she needed me, and guess what happened? She survived it. Faith, believe, start saying it, be positive about it, and it will come to pass.
I just hope she will survive it.
Oh, God. Did you even listen to me at all? She's going to survive it. Be positive. That is all I need from you. That is all she needs from you.
Mama, you have helped me a lot. You have been of great help to me right from when I was in school. You would send me foodstuffs, sometimes help me pay my school fees, even though you don't have much. And I appreciate it. And you know there is nothing I cannot do for you. There is nothing you ask me on this earth that I will not do for you. But Mama, asking me to force myself on your son, Mama, is something I cannot do. It's somehow. I shouldn't be forcing myself on a man.
Lisa, I am not saying you should force yourself on my son. All I want you to do is just show yourself to him. I want him to see you.
Mama, it's
because he saw you last when you were still in primary school.
Mama, you're sounding as if you want me to bundle myself and package myself to your son. That's what it's sounding like. I should package myself and bundle myself to him. It shouldn't be like that. Besides, I don't have much time. I should be leaving the village in 3 days. You know the job I told you about, the one I got. I'm supposed to resume soon, so I should be in the city in 3 days' time.
Lisa, please, my daughter, I am begging you. I've called my son. I told him to come back to the village. And he promised that by Friday he will be here. Please just wait for him small.
Mama, Friday will not work. If I am not in the city in 3 days' time, I will lose this job. And Mama, you know how much this job means to me and my family. It's been long we've been looking for another source of income, a major source of income. And this is it. So me losing out on it because I was waiting for a man, it does not tell well of me.
My daughter, please. Lisa, I am begging you. Biko.
Mama, it's not like...
Biko. I am very happy to hear that you have even secured a job. I am the happiest person to hear this now. If you have a job and earning good money, I'll be the happiest person. But please, my daughter, just wait for my son.
Mama, I can't wait.
We could do this for
Mama, waiting for him will cost me my job. Mama, if you were not the one asking me for this and somebody else begs me for this and I do it, you hear it, would you be proud of me?
Lisa, because
Mama, if I don't go, I'll lose my job, please. Because, Mama, it's not like I'm disobeying you. But if he really, really, really wants me, he should come for me. Few months down the line, I discovered your brother was not all about his good looks. That he has an amazing personality. He's a beautiful soul. And since then, I have never ceased to say thank you to your mother for introducing us.
Well, a lot of people have so many good things to say about my mother. Though she's not rich, but she would always be nice to people. It's just that I don't know why bad things happen to the good ones.
Don't worry. One thing I know is we will all reap the fruit of our labors. Your mother has sowed good seeds, wonderful seeds in people's lives. And there is no way she will not reap the fruit of her labor. Every God bless you that anyone has said in her life will work for her now. Amen. It will speak for her.
Amen.
Because the Bible did not say we will die. Rather, he said we will live to declare the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living, not in the land of the dead. So she's going to live to testify to the glory of God.
Amen.
All you just need to do is have faith. Okay?
I pray she survives.
Oh God. Can you listen? Did you even hear me? That is not what I want to hear from you. What do you want for your mother?
That she survives it.
Then say it.
She will survive it.
Say it.
She will survive it.
That is it.
Life is harder on us. We are struggling to survive. No help at all. No help at all. To be the well, Kafufu Pwanisi, you know what? To be the well, Kafufu Pwanisi, you know what? Igebe katala fufulu alapo, Shubi igebe. Bless our lives. Igebe katala fufulu alapo, Shubi igebe. Bless our lives. Igebe katala fufulu alapo, Shubi igebe. Please bless my mama. Igebe katala.
My baby.
Mama, did anyone offend you?
No, I am fine. I'm fine.
But you don't look happy.
I'm fine. I'm okay. Just sit down. Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, in a village called Umezani,
oh God, you said I should go to the world and prosper. You said again to me in blessings.
You're not Bubula. Amogini.
My son, sleep is far from me. I am afraid.
Afraid of what? Eh? Afraid of Guinea.
Just imagine. My hair have started pulling. I think it's time you take me back to the village.
You're not going back to the village. We'll go and see the doctor. So we tell him what is wrong with your body.
Kenneth, you are my son. I am your mother. I am no longer a child. Since my life, I have never seen a thing like this. I think my grave is near.
Mama, stop this, please. Stop saying a thing like that. Please. Okay? Biko. Biko. Baby, you're not ready yet. Wait to get to the bank to get started with the preparation of mass travel.
About that, baby, don't you think this is a risk? I mean, a costly one at that.
Risk?
Baby, you know exactly what.
What's risky there?
You know exactly.
Are you saying I should leave my mother to die?
That's not what I am saying. I mean, the doctor said her chances of surviving this is slim. So why waste money?
Damn. Is this actually coming from you? Have you lost it?
Listen. Baby, I know we are talking about your mother, but I want you to think this through. Think about it. Because
I'm not thinking anything. I am not thinking anything. You know what? Erase this from your mind. Don't even allow another ear to hear it.
Baby, listen to me. You don't know how much this is going to cost us. This is too much money to risk. I am talking about our life savings. Please.
I am talking about my mother? You're telling me the money we're going to lose? What has come over you? A woman who has been so nice to you?
Baby, you are getting this thing all wrong. This is not coming from a place of hate. Mama has been nice to me. She's a beautiful woman. You know I love her. But I am only doing this so we don't hit the rock bottom at the end of the day financially. Can't you just be logical with me? Honey, think about it. What if after spending all this money and... I'm not saying it's going to happen, but what if? What do we fall back to?
I can't believe this. I can't believe this is coming from you. But you know what? Nothing will make me stop this process. Because I will save my mother's life. Nothing will stop it, not even you. Do you understand? I'm surprised at you.
Damn. Be logical about this. I mean, men are logical. Why am I being the one logical here? I thought they said men are logical, women are emotional. So why are you being so emotional about this and I'm the one being logical about it?
If onye better boroburu, evil wickedness is bad. Konye kote boroburu, evil wickedness is bad. Evil wickedness is bad. You can run, but you cannot run faster than a shadow. You can pretend, you cannot pretend forever. Cause you're evil. What you're doing today will hurt you tomorrow. This game is risky. You will fail woefully. Selaka if onye better baroburu, evil wickedness is bad. Konye kote baroburu, evil wickedness is bad. You are heartless, evil wickedness is bad. You are very mean, evil wickedness is bad. You are robbing Madu Jaja, evil wickedness is bad. Ogini baragini me, evil wickedness is bad. If onye better baroburu, evil wickedness is bad. Konye kote baroburu, evil wickedness is bad. Evil wickedness is bad. You can run, but you cannot run faster than a shadow. You can pretend, you cannot pretend forever. Cause you're evil. What you're doing today will hurt you tomorrow. This game is risky. You will fail woefully. Selaka if onye better baroburu, evil wickedness is bad. Konye kote baroburu, evil wickedness is bad. You are heartless, evil wickedness.
Doctor.
Yes, ma'am.
Just tell me that I am about to die.
Why do you say so?
I am alive and I started losing my hair. My hair is pulling off. Is that no sign of death?
Oh, Mama, that's a sign of alopecia. It's as a result of chemotherapy. I mean the treatment you're receiving now.
Doctor, never mind my mother. She wouldn't understand all that. Please, what's the way forward?
Mama, there's still hope. You see, my experience as a medical practitioner has taught me that 20% possibility does not mean death. Though 80% possibility for survival could still mean that only if there's no fund available.
In that case, we're going to send some money to you by weekend so you help us book an appointment for a competent doctor abroad.
I've been expecting this from you this way. Delay is dangerous.
Doctor.
Yes, ma'am.
Talking about treatment abroad, is that not going to cost much?
Mama, that shouldn't be your problem, okay? Just get well for me first. If I lose money today, I can still make more money tomorrow. The most important thing is for you to get well, okay? Be strong for me, please. So, doctor, I'll get back to you, please.
Very well then.
went to the hospital with your brother. And the doctor was saying something about spending a huge amount of money on my sickness. Where will you people get such money from?
Even if we don't have it, we will borrow it.
My daughter, I think if you will have such amount of money, it will be fine if you use it to better your life. We don't have any good building in the village.
Mama, is a house better than your health? I want to come again back.
It's not, my daughter. But I'll be happy in my grave to see that my children are successful.
Mama, please don't say that. We are trying everything possible to make sure that you get better. Don't worry, when you are fine, we can build as many mansions as you want. Just regain your health first.
My daughter, I don't want to be selfish. You people have done enough. I think I'm close to my grave.
Mama, don't say that. I've not done anything for you. Say no more. Don't worry, just get yourself ready. We'll soon send you abroad so you get better. I've not done anything. Just get well soon. Oh, Mama. Sorry. You'll be fine, okay? Sorry.
Babe, my sister is here. And I wouldn't want you to let out those madness so they won't hear it.
Honey, please go down and tell them we don't have money.
Are you serious right now?
Dead serious.
When it was your mother's turn, you begged me and I listened to you. I don't just want to believe the amount of wickedness in your heart.
This is not me being wicked. This is me looking after this family. This is me looking out for this family. Besides, when my mother was sick, it didn't take us emptying our entire savings to save her. Now you are about to take a risk with all our...
Just shut the crap and do what I asked you to do. Just shut it and do what I asked you to do.
Okay.
See, let me tell you something. You might not like the amount of hatred you get from my family if they hear you say this.
Like I care. Listen, I don't care what anyone thinks about me. It's none of my business. I am only looking out for the welfare and well-being of my children. Because when we go starving, none of them will care. Yes, when we start begging for food, they will not be there to help us. I am only looking out for our family. Since you have decided to go blind, you don't want to see words of reasoning.
Let me tell you something. By the end of today, if this madness continues, I have no option than to take it out there. Yes, whatever that comes out of it, now you know.
Am I supposed to be scared? I don't understand. Am I supposed to be scared? Your family members, are they the one feeding me? I should just sit down and watch you risk our entire life savings on something that you already said is 80-20% of survival.
Doctor, you mean to tell me my brother has not sent money to you?
Well, he promised to send some money. He dared to have not seen anything.
I wonder why he's wasting so much time in such an important issue. I thought you had meant to tell me that everything is ready by now.
But your brother knows me too well. He knows what I'm capable of doing. Once the fund is available, I will execute it. I've done it once for him when he sent his mother-in-law abroad for an orthopedic surgery.
I'm sorry to bother you, doctor, but I will have to get back to you.
Everything should be done as if you really want to save this woman's life. Okay?
No problem, doctor.
Very well then.
I'll get back to you.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Nature, why does mommy want grandma to die?
Who told you that?
I overheard daddy begging mommy for money, but she refused. That means she wants grandma to die.
I've once heard them argue about that before. But I wonder why mommy doesn't want grandma to be treated.
I think we should go talk to her.
I suggest we just pray about it and beg God to change her heart.
I don't want anything bad to happen to my grandma. I don't want anything bad to happen to my grandma.
Nothing will happen to her. I believe.
The doctor said you haven't sent him some money to start booking appointment for her mother's treatment. What's going on?
I have some issue I'm handling in my family already.
Issues that are more important than our mother's life.
You might not understand. Somebody think you might not really understand.
I thought we agreed to do this together. Why are you trying to back down now? Do you want our mother to die?
How would you say a thing like that? You of all people know that I love our mother.
Then show it. You don't love people with the tip of your tongue, then back down on them when they need you the most.
I can't remember telling you I'm not willing to help her.
But Kenny, then don't allow it to get too late. I told you I am willing to give up my business. Then stand by you to save our mother.
Don't worry yourself, okay? I'm gonna fix this. Trust me, I will. Everything will be fine, just have faith.
Okay, you have to be fast about it. There's no time.
Mama, I opened a joint account with her. And no one can access it without each other's person's signature. Do you understand? So what is that? Should I allow my mother to die? Mama, that is not the reason I should allow my mother to die. Mama, please help me talk to her. Call her and talk to her. I don't want any of the family members to hate her because of this. If possible, we can come around. Mama, you don't understand. Lisa is pushing me to the gravity. She's pushing me, and I don't like it. Mama, we open, Biko. Okay, bye.
Mona Lisa.
Mama.
You asked me why I came.
Because I'm surprised. You didn't even tell me you were coming. Happy. You wanted to surprise us.
This one is not pleasant. Your stupidity got to my notice in the village. That's why I'm here.
Kenneth reported me to you. Well, Mama, if you must know, I am looking out for the well-being of my family, for the future of my children and my household. I don't regret what I'm saying.
Oh, really? So your mother-in-law is not part of the future of your family? Do you know that if anyone in this family finds out that your mother-in-law died because you refused your husband from helping her financially, that you are finished? This family you are trying to protect, its future will be too hot for you to stay in. Don't you know?
Mama, I am not saying anybody should die. The problem is not even the money we have in the account. Even if we spend all the money we have in our account, our life savings, it still won't be enough, Mama. That's to tell you that at the end of the day, we are not just going to go bankrupt. We will be drowning in debt. That is what I am trying to...
You better not listen to your mother when she talks. It is better you finish the money in your account and save a life than live like a billionaire and in a very hot house that you won't be able to stay. Eh? If anything happens to your mother-in-law, do you know that they will blame you?
How? Did I give her cancer?
Hey, this girl doesn't understand me. You don't want to listen to me, right? They will say that you are the one that killed her.
Mama, wait, did they tell you that her chances of surviving is like 10 to 20%?
I don't know what you're talking about. All I know is that they said you refused to help your mother-in-law financially. To treat her as a problem.
Do you want to hear your daughter's side of the story or not?
Mona Lisa, story or no story, allow your husband to help his mother financially now that she is sick.
Not at the detriment of my family's future, nor my children's future.
Hey, this girl. Listen, I will not force you to take my words. I will not. But when the time comes, don't say I did not warn you.
Mama, nothing is going to happen.
Don't say I did not warn you.
I am only looking out for the well-being of my family. Anybody will do it. Mama, this is my home. This is my husband's house. And I'm the one in need. Let me protect my family. Biko, you're just coming. It's too early for us to start bantering words.
You are really playing with me.
That's not what I'm saying. Please, just take it easy. You're making it look like we're fighting. I've been nice to you. Remember, I've been nice to you in the past.
So really, because you've been nice to me in the past, I should pay 6 million?
That's not what...
How much is the worth of my business? No, I'm certain. I'm very certain that you know I'm not even worth up to that. You want me to pay 6 million naira because you've helped me in the past?
That's not what I am saying.
So what are you saying?
What I am saying is that exercise patience for me. My mother-in-law is sick, very sick, that my husband wants to fly her abroad and for treatment. And I can't raise such amount of money now. Not now. So please help me talk to them. Do whatever you can. Please.
So I should pay with my life? Huh? I should go to jail for you?
Of course not.
Listen to me and listen very attentively. The next time I will come to this house because of this money, you will regret ever knowing me.
Do you realize you are threatening me?
Milo, I heard you'll be going back to the village tomorrow.
I will. But the most important thing now is that you get well. So you come back to me in the village. I've missed you a lot. You're the only friend I have now. All our gist, the encouragement you used to give me and all of that. I miss all of that.
I am tired.
Don't talk like that.
I don't think I will make it again.
Hey.
But I'm happy my children have succeeded. If I fall now, tell my children I have tried. I have cried water and blood. I felt pain and agony. My love, I've tried. Like I said, if I fall, tell my children that I'm tired and I've tried.
Shogoma, stop talking like this.
I don't think I'll make it again.
Please, stop talking like this. You are sounding as if this guy has fallen on you already. But no, you are here. Don't forget that the only hopeless point in life is the point of death. But you are still alive. Please, don't lose hope. Don't.
But I'm tired. But I am happy. I've seen my children succeeded. I have played with my grandchildren. I believe very soon the whole thing will be over. I am tired of battling with life, even when I know that I cannot win.
Okoma, you are a strong woman. I've always known you as a strong woman. Why don't you stay strong this time? Stay strong for me, for your children. You know we all love you. Please, stop talking like this. Be cool. I don't have strength anymore. My strengths are gone. Like I said, I have tried. Tell my children I had fought with life. And I've lost my strength. Look at me. Look at me. I know you're going to make it. I know you're scared. But don't worry, your children will beat all the fears. They will beat all the fears and you'll come back to your feet.
This game is risky. You will fail woefully. Selaka no Ubone mugwebo. If onye bete waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. Gonye kote waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. You are heartless. Evil wickedness is bad. You are very mean. Evil wickedness is bad. You are robbing man jaja. Evil wickedness is bad. Ogini baragini me. Evil wickedness is bad. If onye bete waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. Gonye kote waroburu.
Clinton.
Mom, are you still awake?
Yes, I am. And you, why are you still awake? I thought you've gone to bed.
Yes, but I couldn't sleep.
Why? What is it?
I heard Daddy begging you for money for mass treatment, but you refused. Mom, I want to ask this question. Why do you want Grandma to die?
Excuse you? Clinton, that's a strong thing to say. Why would you say such a thing?
I heard you.
Clinton, I love Grandma. I wouldn't want her to die. She's your grandmother and she has been nice to all of us. There is no way I would want someone who is that nice and who is family to die. Not even anyone. And I am trying everything in my power to make sure we help her.
Then why don't you want to help Daddy raise some money for Mama?
Honey, listen. Let me tell you. This... You know what, honey? You're too young. Even if I explain now, you will not understand. But don't worry. With time, you will get to understand when you grow up, okay? But for now, I want you to have it at the back of your mind that I do not hate your grandma. I love her. As a matter of fact, your daddy and I are trying to gather some money so we can send her abroad for the treatment she needs. Don't worry, she'll be fine, okay? She'll be alright. Nothing will happen to your grandma.
I pray so every day.
Keep praying for her. That's all she needs from you now.
Okay.
So this is why you've been awake?
Yes. I was worried.
Stop being worried. Come here. Come here. Now go and sleep. You know you're going to school tomorrow. I'll still wake you up early.
Good night, my mom.
Good night, baby. And pray before you sleep.
Okay.
Evil wickedness is bad. Gonye kote waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. You are heartless. Evil wickedness is bad. You are very mean. Evil wickedness is bad. You are robbing Madam Jaja. Evil wickedness is bad. Ogini baragini me. Evil wickedness is bad. If onye bete waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. Gonye kote waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. Evil wickedness is bad. You can run, but you cannot run faster than a shadow.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being so unreasonable and so difficult. It's not like I don't want you to seek medical help for your mother. But I'm just scared of going back to ground zero. But now I know better. Because if we can build from nothing to where we are today, then we can always bounce back from anything, as long as there is life. So, tomorrow we will go to the bank and get the necessary money we need so you can fly your mother abroad and get her the help she needs.
Thank you so much. You don't know how much this has relieved me.
I am sorry it took me this long to understand.
I love you so much.
No, I love you more.
Love may be on apple.
I'm sorry, I've missed you. Hey, stop.
You know I like it too.
Doctor,
Yes.
my mother's passport and mine and every other thing you require are in here.
Okay, very well. I'll start processing things immediately, okay?
Okay, sir.
Good.
But, doctor,
Yes.
please, you have to be very fast about this. Because the way my mother's health is deteriorating, I just pray she hangs on there until the papers are ready.
Come on, don't you worry. So long as your mother is still on chemotherapy, she'll make it, okay?
No problem, sir. Please, do well to call me anytime you need more money.
Definitely.
Okay? Even if it means borrowing for my mother to be alive, I have to do that.
Very well then.
Thank you, sir.
Grandma! 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 Mama, wake up! Grandma! Mommy!
Evil wickedness is bad. You can run, but you cannot run faster than a shadow. You can pretend, you cannot pretend forever. Cause you're evil. What you're doing today, we hurt you tomorrow. This game is risky. You will fail woefully.
Mommy, Grandma is not moving. She's not moving at all.
What did you mean she's not?
I met her lying down. She's not moving.
How? Where is she?
She's downstairs.
Evil wickedness is bad. You can run, but you cannot run faster than a shadow.
She's not moving.
You should have left her. Maybe she's sleeping.
She's not sleeping. She's not waking up. Grandma. She's not waking up.
Hold on. Mama. Mama.
Grandma.
Mama. Go to my room, get my phone. Mama, wake up now. Mama, wake up. Ogoma. Mama, hey, get my phone. Mama, wake up. Mama, busy. Mama, what is this now? Mama, this is not the plan. Mama, wake up. Mama. Hey, be fast.
What happened to my mother?
Please calm down. Calm down, please.
Doctor, tell me it's not true.
Sorry, your mother was already unresponsive before she was brought here.
Doctor, you can make her respond. You're a doctor. You know what to do.
I know, but the possibility is very slim now.
Oh, God.
I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry about that.
Oh, God.
Grandma.
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 What is it? Grandma! She was here! Grandma was here! Grandma! What are you saying?
It happened in my very presence. I saw Grandma.
Please don't say anything that will land you side trouble. Do you know the kind of trouble this can cause?
Nature, I don't care. What have Grandma done to Mom that she can't forgive? I will let everybody know. I'll make sure I let everybody know.
I suggest you just tell Dad first. You don't have to tell everybody.
Nature, leave me alone. Nature, leave me alone.
Think.
You see, death is a painful thing. And only among the dead without tears, not with our lives. We need to hold ourselves so we can live. Clinton, what is it?
I know who killed Grandma.
What is wrong with you? Why you go to your room?
I won't. It's now time I tell her what's really happened to Grandma.
Please, what do you know?
I saw...
Hey, yeah, go to your room, now.
Huh?
Go to your room.
Let me tell them.
Go to your room, now. Now.
I know what
to
I
your
did
room.
to Grandma.
What do you know? To your room.
What is he talking about?
I think he's sick. I think he's having malaria.
Well, he doesn't look sick to me.
can we just focus on the matter at hand? So, like I said was, you said you saw what?
I saw Mom using the side pillow to cover Grandma's face.
Are you sure?
Yes, it happened in my presence. I saw it with my 2 eyes.
Because some time ago you told me you dreamt of something like that, but you didn't see that person's face.
I woke up from the same kind of dream, and when I checked on Grandma, she was no longer moving.
Did you see the person's face?
No. But I don't know why Clinton is saying he saw her Mom's face.
Now listen, both of you. I do not want you to say that again. I do not want that to let out of your mouth again. Did you hear me?
But I saw it with my 2 eyes, my 2 naked eyes.
Shut up. Stop. Now hold your ears. Hold your ears. I do not want that to come out of your mouth again. Am I cleared?
I saw.
To your room.
I saw her.
To your room.
I saw her.
To your room.
I saw you.
If I slap you, sweetheart, allow me beat this boy. Allow me teach him a lesson. What evil spirit possessed you? Are you possessed? Eh?
Me, but
what? Who is your mother? Did you just call me your mother? I'm your mother, yet you're laying accusations on me. You're laying allegations on me. Are you mad? Eh? This is not right, though. This is not right at all.
Honey, calm down. Please, take it easy.
What do you mean, calm down? What do you mean, calm down? No, really, if this information falls into the wrong ears, what do you think will happen? It's just like your own son telling you that you killed my mother or your mother. How would you take it? Respect yourself. Respect yourself and stop that nonsense.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
What do you mean, are you sure of what you're saying? What is this? Is this supposed to... Are you telling me you believe him?
Honey, when last did you treat him of malaria?
Daddy, no. Daddy, I'm not having malaria. Daddy, it's so mommy.
Then you're very stupid. You're very stupid. You're very stupid. I don't like what you're doing. If this man comes around and tells you that you're the one that killed your mother, how would you take it?
It's true.
She understands that.
No, you're exchanging words. You're exchanging words. You're exchanging words with me, stupid. You're exchanging words.
Stop.
Please, doctor. I need an autopsy on my mother's body.
Why? Are you suspecting anything?
Doctor, I can smell foul play on her death.
But you don't have to. Look, your mother's spirit was kind to you people. She wouldn't have survived that illness if you were to spend all the money on her.
Doctor, I'm no longer concerned about her death. I just have this feeling that someone had a hand in her death.
You mean someone caused the cancer?
Doctor, I can't explain this now. Please, you have to carry out an autopsy on her.
Well then we'll have to get your brother involved. Your brother must sign before I carry out anything.
Doctor, my brother will not permit this.
Are you suspecting your brother?
No, I never said so. But doctor, you have to do it without his consent. Doctor, I'm going to pay you handsomely. But please, you have to do it.
It's against my ethics. We must get your brother involved before I carry out any autopsy on the deceased, please. Yes.
Life is harder on us. We are struggling to survive. No help at all. No help at all. To be the well, Kafufu Pwamisi, you know what? To be the well.
Auntie.
Why is your face like this? What happened?
My mom flogged me.
What did you do to her?
All because I saw what I saw. They said I had malaria.
What is it you saw? Can you share with me?
She said she'll kill me if I ever mention it.
Tell me. I won't tell anybody, okay?
Clinton!
Go inside and eat your food.
Yes, Grandma.
Brother, you're here.
Yeah.
Brother, your wife told your son that if he says what he knows, that she's going to kill him. What is it that you are hiding from me?
What nonsense are you talking about?
Brother, is there more to our mother's death that I don't know?
So what are you insinuating? Are you trying to accuse me of having a hand in Mama's death?
I don't know because you and your family are moving this way. Something fishy is going on and I can swear you know about it.
Oh, really? Really? So your mind is now telling you that I used Mama for ritual. Is it not?
I never said so.
You never said so?
Yes. If we are so sure that Mama died of cancer, then let's go for an autopsy.
Now.
But I'm just saying that you should think about it.
Get out.
Sister, again. What happened? Are you okay?
Kamaka had a bad dream concerning Sister Lisa last night.
What happened to your dream?
See, in that dream, people were beating her. She was crying, saying, I am innocent, oh. I am innocent, oh. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. I don't understand.
God forbid. Does that mean somebody wants to accuse her?
I don't know. See, that dream was so strong and scary. I don't want it to come to pass. I can't even explain the dream.
Sister, don't worry. It will never come to pass, okay? Just call her and tell her about it.
I already did. Kamaka, we need to pray. We need to pray for sister. Because if it eventually happens, it will be brutal. We need to pray.
Sister, it's okay. It will never happen. Anything that happens in your dream will stay in your dream. It won't happen, don't worry. And don't worry, we'll pray. We'll pray. Let's go.
Clinton, you want to run your mother in jail. So you don't know that what you're saying is capable of taking your mother in jail, that you cannot see her again until you grow to my height. Eh?
I'm sorry.
Sorry, twist your mouth then. Sorry, twist your mouth. Do you want me to knock that evil spirit out of your head? Are you possessed? Enwa, what is wrong with you?
Mona Lisa, calm down. It has not gotten to this.
Mama, what is calm down? What is calm down? Allow me beat this boy. Keep your mouth. I'll beat the evil spirit out of you. How can my own son be the weapon fashioned against me? Who sent you, Nwa? No, who is that demon in you? Who are you? And who sent you?
Honestly, I don't know what came over him. I don't know what is informing him. But you know what? A mother does not cut off the child's hand simply because he touches excreta. But not possible. A mother will always beat a child with one hand and welcome him with the other hand, Mama, no matter how dirty he is.
Mama, all these ones you're saying are their stories. Which one is beat a child one hand, bring the child one hand? Not when I'm in prison. No, if I'm in prison, how am I supposed to beat him with the other one and bring him back with the other one? That's not the point of what we are saying.
No, you are not going to.
What kind of nonsense is this?
No one is going to prison.
Which one is no one is going to prison? When this boy wants to put me in trouble? Eh? How can I give birth to my own nemesis? What is this? My own son. Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, oh. Before you look like your father's people. Respect yourself because you don't know what I will do to you.
See, Clinton,
I know you don't know the magnitude of what you are saying. You don't know the implication of what you are saying, but I beg you, don't you ever in this life open your mouth and say that thing to anyone's hearing. Do you understand me? Don't. In fact, if it is possible, delete it from your head. Just remove it from your head completely.
If you like, don't delete it. You think I'm begging you? Don't delete it. But let me tell you something. You think because I'm your mother, I cannot do anything to you. I will do terrible things to you that even when you reason it, you will not believe your mother did it to you. I will tell you that I brought you to this world and I can take you out of it. Hey, try me. Forbid. No, try me. Try me. You tell me whether it's your father's people that sent you to me.
Hey, stupid. You won't it again, right? You won't say it again. Go.
If you like, say it.
But Mama, ask Mommy what Grandma did to her.
What you say? What they sent you? Tell them that you do not see me. What kind of son is this? Eh?
Calm down now.
Mama, what is calm down? No, really, what is calm down? What is this? Hey!
This is not how to go about this. Mama, I don't know what it is, but you need to calm down.
Mama, calm down what? My enemies finally got to me through my children. Through this boy. Hey!
I don't know how I'm feeling about this thing, but you need to calm down.
Hey!
Mama, is it that I've given birth to my own nemesis? God forbid. Your son can never be nemesis.
No, I have given birth to my own nemesis. No more, Neano. My own son, look at what is coming out from the mouth of my son.
There's something I've been willing to discuss with you. I really don't know if you're aware of this.
It's okay, what is it about?
Did your wife tell you she's owing some group of people a whole sum of money? It has to do with a loan company.
No, she never told me anything of that.
Well, you know, my sister works with some loan company. So when she was going through her documents, she came across your wife's name. So when she told me, I was surprised. So I said I will speak to you about it. So that's why I'm here asking.
My wife is owing some people without my consent. And how much are we talking about?
Man, 5 to 6 million naira.
What?
Yes.
My wife borrowed up to 5 to 6 million naira without my consent? And she knows how much I hate her borrowing money from people.
My friend, I'm only telling you this because you are my man. And I wouldn't want them to embarrass your wife. So please, act on this quickly. You really need to act on this. It's very embarrassing. You really need to act on this.
How are you?
I'm good.
Baby, there is something I want us to talk about.
Okay.
I am thinking it's high time I started up my business again. I mean, my customers are beginning to ask when I am starting. And the demand is high, so I'm thinking of taking advantage of it now.
Can you just listen to yourself? Huh?
I don't understand.
My mother is yet to be buried. And you're here talking about your business.
Honey, really, this is getting to me. It does not make sense now. Why is it that anytime I ask for money, it's as if one useless, unproductive
element just asked for money. I'm just trying to help us out here. Besides, we've been through a lot of financial problems recently, so I need to start up something so that we can have something to fall back to. Moreover, the money we're talking about is not just your money, it's my mind too. I have over 20 million naira in that account. So must I always beg for money? Yes, you're making it look like I'm a beggar. I don't like it though.
Did we not agree to buy or to build a house of our dream?
Yes, we agreed.
So?
But in case of eventualities, we have to use the money for something else. Invest the money in something to make more money, and then we'll buy the house later. What's all this now? What's all this question and answer, this jam question over money to secure our own future? It's not like I'm begging you for money. This is the same way you were so adamant, you were so strict on giving me money when my mother was sick. I had to beg you from now to tomorrow before you could release money for me to save my mother's life. Meanwhile, when your own mother was sick, Kenneth, it took you nothing. You almost put in all our money in saving your mother's life, if not that I stopped you. Even went to the extent of borrowing money. You that I know that don't like borrowing money. You wanted to borrow money for your mother's sake. Are you not seeing the pasha there? No. Are you not seeing the ojoro there? Is it not looking double standard to you? Is that not double standard?
Talking about borrowing, you went and borrowed 5 million naira without my consent. So what did you do with the money you borrowed?
I borrowed 5 million naira. Where did you hear that from? No, really, from who? Please, I don't understand where this one is coming from. I don't understand where this borrow is coming from, because is this a way of you distracting us from the conversation? No, are you trying to divert the conversation? Because I don't know where this one came out from all of a sudden. I am talking about giving me money to start up my business again. The money I'm asking for is for me to start up my business. That's all.
I am so sorry I do not have any money to give to you. I'm not going to give you anything.
Well,
my mother is being buried.
Excuse me, sir. You will give me the money. No. Since this is what you want, no problem. You will give me the money, because the money is not just yours. What's come to worse, we divide the money. I take my own part. You take yours and bury your mother with it, while I secure my children's future with my own, since you don't have sense. Sorry to say, I'm not insulting you, but I don't understand why you want to use your life savings in burying your mother, whereas the village you want to go and do the burial, you don't have a house there. You don't have a house in your father's compound, let me remind you. So I don't understand what you want to use the money for. You want to do elaborate burial, so people will know you've arrived in that hut, in the village. Please, if you want to bury your mother, since you don't understand the adage that says, let the dead bury the dead. If you want to bury your mother with your life savings, it's okay. Just divide it, give me my own. Let me go and secure my future and that of my children.
All of a sudden, you're behaving strange. Is this something you're not telling me?
I don't know where this is coming from. And as a matter of fact, I don't care. Yes, I don't care one bit, Kenneth. It is none of my business what anybody thinks about me. I am securing my future and that of my children. So I am putting it to you. You are going to divide the money and give me mine. You can use yours and bury your mother. It's none of my business. But please, you will not use my hard-earned money to bury somebody whose chapter has closed.
Sorry. There is no money to give to you.
There will be money when I'm ready. Don't worry.
Shishi.
This game is risky. You will fail woefully. Selaka nubo, ubone bugwebo. If onye bete waroburu, evil wickedness is bad.
Noya, how are you? I mean, what are you doing here? This is the first time you're coming to my office.
I'm in big trouble right now.
Big trouble? What kind of trouble?
Your wife is about to drag my head to a knock.
Noya, this is not what we discuss here, okay? Come into the car. Let's get to my office. Come on, come on, come on.
I heard you banter with your husband. And this is the first time I witnessed that kind of thing in this house. What is going on?
Mama, my husband wants to use all our life savings in burying his mother.
If that is the problem, it's something you can settle amicably. No longer.
Kenneth is becoming very inconsiderate these days. Talking to him is becoming very difficult. This is a money we both saved together. It's not like it's his money alone. So I won't let him. I will not let it happen.
Mona Lisa, this is not the right time to fight your husband. Your late mother-in-law is still in the morgue.
So? So we should now use every resources we have, all the money we have in burying her. Okay, say me, after burying her, we will eat sand. Mama, I can't let that happen. No. If I leave this man, he will spend every penny we have saved in burying her. The dead is dead though. Let the living live. That's what I'm saying.
And what I'm saying is that this is the wrong time to make troubles with your husband. Yeah? He's going through mental stress. Don't you understand?
Mama is not the only one going through any stress. Me too, I am going through mental stress. My own is, I will not sit down and watch him squander and render us bankrupt. No. So my suggestion is, divide the money into two. Give me my own. Take your own. Go and bury your mother. Let me hold on to my own. So we'll have something to fall back to.
We are talking about your husband here. Your family. Yeah? You want your husband to share things with you because his mother is
Mama, this is me being logical.
Please,
yes. No. It has gotten to that, Mama, because when this man has problem, if he has his own personal problem, he digs into that money and take money and solve his problem. When it gets to my own, I'll have to answer every question, answer every jam question, go through every interview just to get money from my husband. Money that is not just his own, our money. What I am talking about is a joint account between me and my husband. It's not like he's the owner of the money. So please, let him divide it. Everybody will just answer their surname.
Can you really listen to yourself? The person you're speaking English for is the man that kept you in this house. He's your husband. He is your head. You don't have to behave like this about...
Oh, so because he is my head.
Yes.
I should not sit down and watch him drown us.
He's not going to drown.
I should not sit down and watch him throw us into the river so we'll drown.
This man is your husband. I am warning you. Don't say that he's not warning you.
Mama, please.
Mona Lisa, don't say...
Mama, it's okay. Please, it's okay, please. Allow me handle my family. This is my house I'm talking about. Allow me run it the way I see fit.
Well home. But make sure you don't use your hand to scatter this your home.
Mama, please, is that a prayer? Are you praying for me? Are you praying even prayer for me?
It's not a prayer, but don't scatter your house,
Mama,
with your own hands.
Mama, please. I don't like what you're doing. I don't like it. The only reason you're saying all this or meddling into my marital issues is because you're in my house. If you continue like this, tomorrow you're going back to home. Another begging.
Is that a threat?
It's not a threat. I'm just telling you. Please stay on your lane.
Okay, I will go back. I have a house.
Because
I have a home. I have my house.
Biko.
Nonsense.
What is it? When you were dealing with your husband, did I tell you how to do it?
Oh God, you said I should go to the world and prosper. You said again to me, in blessings you shall bless me. You said again to me that sickness is not my portion. You said you have given angels charge over my life.
How dare you? How dare you?
How dare me what? What are you talking about?
Hey, don't even start. Don't give me that look at all. Don't even pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Of course I don't know what you're talking about because I did not borrow money from anybody.
You borrowed money from financial cooperative
5 million naira. What did you do with it? What?
The last statement. What do you mean by what did I do with it? How can you ask an adult what they did with money? I'm an adult. I need money. What sort of question
your
is that?
Your business liquidation, and you blame it on your mother's sickness. You blamed it on your mother's sickness. You borrowed 5 million naira. What the hell did you do with such amount of money?
Kenneth, for Christ's sake, this is not what I was expecting. I was expecting you giving me the money. I was even thinking you want to give me the money. Here you are asking me jump questions.
Oh.
What did I do with money? What did I do with money? I cooked with it.
This is what it's all about.
I don't care what it's all about, really. Because I'm fed up. I'm fed up. I can't take it anymore. I told you I need 15 million naira to start up my business again. And that is the only thing I want to talk about. And not what did you do with money? What did you dispose? I beg for money every time.
You've succeeded in making me lose trust in you.
Like I care. Because you don't trust me at all.
Okay.
Like I care. You've lost it a long time ago. For you to even question me. My own is give me money. I need to start up my business. Give me money. Give me money.
Brother, how did we get here? I thought I used to be your number one confinement. How did we get here?
Kate, I am panicking. I'm afraid. I do not want my fears to start playing out.
Brother, what is your fear? I thought I begged you to approve Mama's body for an autopsy. But the doctor said you have not approved that yet. I'm very sure you're hiding something from me.
No, you're getting it wrong. I'm not hiding anything. Just like I don't like the energy I'm getting around me. I don't just like the energy I'm feeling around me. I'm afraid.
I learned that your wife is owing some people. And I know she must have done this so that the money won't be used for Mama's medication.
Let's not just point fingers now, okay? Let's wait till the autopsy test is ready. Let's confirm it yet. Please. God.
Okay.
Let this not be true. I do not just want to... I don't want to lose my family. I don't... Oh, God.
Yeah, come right in.
Dr. Chike.
Yeah.
Please. I need you to have an autopsy on my mother.
Is there anything the matter? What's going on? What's the problem? You suspecting the foul play?
You see, a lot of funny things are beginning to play out, and I need to be sure. I want to trust my instincts.
Oh, tell me what's going on. Is anyone behind your mother's death?
Dr. Chike, please. I am not going to say anything about that. I don't want to get into all that now. Okay? Please do the autopsy, let the result come out, then I can talk.
Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, I'll give you a call when it's ready.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
What is the result saying?
You know, this is strange. I cannot believe this.
Doctor, what are you saying? I don't understand. Please, what is the autopsy result saying?
I have already disclosed that to your brother. I wonder why someone should do that to an already dying woman.
Dr. Chike, I don't understand what you're saying. Please, what is the result saying?
The autopsy before me shows that your mother died of apraxia.
Please, can you break down the grammar?
It means she died of suffocation.
What?
Yes.
So this boy has been right all this while. This woman killed my mother.
Oh, you already have a suspect.
Doctor, please, I'll talk to you later.
The autopsy test shows that Mama was suffocated.
She was what?
Suffocated.
Suffocated? How?
And when him area.
Excuse you?
Are you sure you don't have a hand in Mama's death?
Baby, are you joking? Is this a joke? Because I cannot believe you're asking me a question like this. What do you mean by that?
You were in this house when someone walked in and suffocated my mother. Who do I ask? Who?
I must be dreaming. No, really, I can't believe you are asking me this. Like I'm standing here explaining myself to you on an issue like this.
You better start thinking of what to tell the elders. Like I need to go my mother.
Excuse you? Baby. Kenneth.
Unye Kenneth.
Kenneth.
If onye bete boroburu, evil wickedness is bad. Gonye kote boroburu, evil wickedness is bad. Evil wickedness is bad.
You don't need to feel bad as if you have been convicted. You know what?
I cannot believe I will witness a day like this. I never believed I will ever witness a day my husband will look me in the eyes and accuse me of killing someone. Talk more of his mother.
My dear, life happens. But I need you to be strong to face what lies ahead. I heard Kate has reported to the elders. And they are planning on making you swear before Opere dies.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I'm supposed to face those old men. Those old men that don't like anybody. How am I sure they will not tamper with justice? How am I supposed to face them?
Relax.
Hey! Mama, there's nothing to relax here.
Clear conscience fears no accusation.
Not when the devil is at work.
I know, Opere.
Because this is a setup.
Listen, Opere doesn't kill the innocent. It's not possible.
Mama, you are saying that one. Opere is man-made. You are not talking about Jesus.
Don't say what you don't know.
I'm talking about what I know. I don't like. I will not swear before something that. Hey!
Opere date is a strong date, but what I'm sure of is that he's not going to kill the innocent.
Hey, okay.
And your mother is sure that you are innocent. So relax.
Mama, you don't even know what is happening underground. They used my son. They used my son. So you don't know what they have positioned in front, waiting for me. Now see my Opere.
Just calm down. But I want you to do something for me before it gets bad. Try and forgive your son. Since you know that they are using him, please, forgive him. Because if you don't forgive him, you might do something to him that you will live to regret. With this anger, I am sure you are going to do something very, very, very bad to that boy. Please forgive him.
No, this is difficult.
Just try. Everything will be fine. And the innocent must go unpunished.
Sister?
You can't believe what I just heard.
Sister is responsible for Mama Ozondu's death.
Who told you?
Mama told me. Oh.
She called?
Yes, she did.
But you know it's not true, right? Because sister we know cannot even hurt a fly. Like, how did they even get to this conclusion?
Sister, I don't really know. This is a really, really huge accusation on our sister. And I just hope she comes out of it. I couldn't believe it when I heard it though.
Do you know what is even paining me? That Kate is the one circulating the news. Can you imagine? Let me come on. Chief.
What you doing today? We hurt you tomorrow. This game is risky. You will fail woefully. Selaka no Ubone bugwebo. If on your better waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. Gonye kote waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. You are heartless. Evil wickedness is bad. You are very mean. Evil wickedness is bad. You are robbing Madam Jaja. Evil wickedness is bad. Ogini baragini me. Evil wickedness is bad. Evil wickedness is bad. Gonye kote boroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. Evil wickedness is bad. You can run, but you cannot run fast.
We'll be having a family meeting with the elders this weekend, which is a few days away from now.
I know the elders would want you to swear before Opera deity to prove your innocence. And we were all going to swear before Opera deity. And anyone found guilty will die immediately. I wouldn't want that for any member of this family. Because the stigma is going to pass on to the next generation.
Opera doesn't lie. I even want it. I want it so that everyone will stop accusing my daughter of something she knows nothing about. Yes. Anyways, I will not talk much. I will not. I will wait until my daughter is proven innocent.
There is something I would like to talk to you all about.
About what?
Before I met you, I was in love with someone else. He was the love of my life and the first man I ever loved. His name is Kelechi. He was the one who convinced me to go ahead and marry you. That was how much you were in love.
Chelugudi. Are you trying to tell me that you never wanted to marry me? So all the things you've been doing, you've been faking it?
No. Kenneth, no. I have always loved you. I love you genuinely. Everything we share is real. None of it is fake. But before you, there was someone else.
Mona Lisa, I thought you told me you have forgotten everything about this boy. Why bring him up now? Why?
Mama, I am sorry to disappoint you, but there is no way I can tell the story without mentioning Kelechi's name. She says she wants me to marry her son.
And what was your response?
What do you mean, what was my response? of course you already know what my response would be.
Lisa, you know I love you so much. I love and care about you so much. But I will always tell you the truth. I think you don't have to turn her down.
What do you mean?
Okay, let me make it clear to you. As you can see, I don't have a father. And I don't have a mother. Help is not coming anytime soon. So, what do you expect?
I'm not complaining. Like I told you, I'm ready to wait. And I know things will get better.
You don't have to complain before I start feeling uncomfortable about my situation.
But I have always told you that I don't care. I will wait. I will wait, and because I know things will get better.
Lisa, I don't wish you myself. I mean, I won't advise my sister to get married to someone like me that have not found their bearing in life.
Kelechi, can you stop? Can you stop sounding this way? It's not making sense.
See, that woman loves you so much. She has been your family friend for a long time. She loves you. She has been a friend to your mother. And that only means that if you are married into that house, you will be accepted. You know her son. That guy might not be among the richest in this community, but he is well to do enough to take care of you even more than I would ever imagine.
Just stop. With all these things you're doing, beating around the bush, what exactly are you saying? No, what are you saying?
This is hard to say right now. You know I love you, right?
What are you saying?
I think you should accept him. I mean, Lisa, please accept him. Please.
Did you really open your mouth to say that to me?
I know this may not sound right to you now, but trust me, in time to come you will understand that I mean well for you. Please, I wouldn't want you to wait for me. I don't know when I'll be fine, good enough to get married. Please.
You know, I was surprised when I got a call from you. Because immediately after my wedding, I tried reaching out to you a couple of times and I noticed you blocked me.
Yeah, I had to block you, so that I don't bring problem to your new home. That's just the truth.
Kelechi, there is no way you can bring problem to my new home. I mean, I'm married and I respect my home. Anyway, so how are you doing? How is life treating you?
Still the same me, still struggling, nothing different is happening.
I can see that life is really dealing with you.
The same thing. So, but recently I got a good news.
So what's the good news?
A friend of mine that is based in Canada sent me an invite.
Wow.
He said he wants me to come and join him in Canada.
Wow.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Indeed, that is a good news. In fact, massive news. Congratulations.
I don't even know if I should start jubilating now because I don't even have the money to process the visa. It's really too expensive. Yes.
So, like how much are you talking about?
Ego bakwa agba. Honestly, it's a big money.
How much are we talking about here?
It's almost 10 million naira.
Wow.
Yes.
10 million naira.
Yes. In fact, I'm even thinking of cancelling it, but I decided to try my best. I have called all my friends, I've reached out to all my contacts. In fact, that is why I had to call you. At least to make sure I did everything. If it didn't work, I will know that at least I've tried. That is it, but that's why I called you.
10 million. Well, it's not like 10 million naira is that much of the money, you know. But the thing is, just that this period is it's a little bit tight because I have a lot of projects at hand, you know. A couple of projects we're trying to but for old time's sake, I mean, it's you, Kelechi.
It's been a while.
If not for anything, I owe you a lot. You were there for me when I had nothing.
What a good.
And you're part of the reason I am with my husband now.
I told you then, you know.
So you know what? I'll think about it. Like I said, I'll think about it and let me see what I can do. Okay. Yes. Okay. So expect a call from me. Okay. That's if you will not block me again.
I will never block.
Is there any other thing?
No, that if you can do that for me, even if it's half hour.
No problem, Kelechi, it's okay, don't worry. You will hear from me. You will definitely hear from me. Let me try and see what I can come up with. Huh?
Oh, thank you, baby.
Please don't. I am somebody's wife. Don't call me baby.
My bad.
It's okay, I know.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
I'm waiting for your call.
No, it's okay. I made the promise. I will fulfill it. Bye.
Like I told you, I will help you get good. But my major concern is you paying back the money.
Nonye, why are you talking like this?
If you don't pay them back, they'll certainly come for me.
But you definitely know I will pay. What are we even talking about? 6 million naira. If not that I don't have money at hand, what is 6 million naira?
Yeah, I know.
My dear, before the end of the year, I'll pay up. This one I'm even saying 1 year. It might not even get up to 1 year.
Okay. If you can keep to the installment program, I'm sure you can pay up with ease.
Well,
please.
That one is not my problem. My major concern right now is when am I getting the money?
Soon.
Soon is when?
Maybe tomorrow, next tomorrow, anyone.
Now we are talking. That's what I want to hear.
No, I trust you.
I need it now.
Don't worry, I will speak to the group, okay?
Thank you.
Right.
What are friends for if not things like this? My girl, you didn't go with your car.
No, it's outside.
This girl, why you don't park inside?
Wow. 10 million naira. Wow, baby.
Please don't call me baby. I'm somebody's wife. Stop it.
I'm happy. Thank you. I will always appreciate you for this.
It's nothing. I just want you to be fine.
I promise. I will never forget this. See, I will pay back as soon as I start making money. Trust me.
Well, Kelechi, I am not expecting you to pay back. But then, if you make money, don't forget me.
Honestly, babe, how can I even forget you?
Kelechi, I don't need to keep telling you this. Stop calling me babe. I'm no longer your babe. I am somebody's wife. I am only doing what I did because of old times. 1 minute, please. Hello? Ne? What? When? Jesus. Oh, okay. Calm down. Don't worry, I'm coming now. I'm coming. Yes. What is it? That was my sister. She said my mother
just had an accident.
Okay.
Yes. You know what, Kelechi, I'll see you some other time. Okay?
I hope she's not injured.
I don't know. Let me go and find out.
Okay.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Thank you for the money.
It's okay. It's okay, Kele.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself. I'll call you, okay?
Thank you, baby.
No problem. Bye-bye. That was how I borrowed money and added to the one I had and gave it to him. That same day I got a call that my mother had an accident.
Lisa, you borrowed money from somewhere to give to a man that is not your husband without my consent.
If I had told you, you wouldn't have agreed.
Manachilugudi, let me ask you something here. How can a married woman borrow money to satisfy another man that is not even the family member?
No. I did it for old time's sake.
Old time's sake? For real?
He was nice to me. There was nothing between us. Immediately after I got married to you, everything between us ended. I did it for old time's sake. I just wanted to help.
Wow. So I've been living in mirage all this while.
Mona Lisa na koiri korobwago korobwada okorojeba kuna kokoye moto jamu. Mona Lisa, what is the link between this thing you're telling us now and the matter on ground? Tell me the link. Mama, because of the accident you had, it became difficult for me to pay the debt. I couldn't pay it back. To crown it all, my mother-in-law fell ill. Because I was banking on our savings. And when my mother-in-law fell ill, I felt really bad.
I said it. Did you see it? The truth is finally coming out.
Which truth is finally coming out? Okay, you want her to tell you that I'm the one that killed your mother. Is that what you're expecting?
Mama, calm down. Allow her to talk.
Kenneth, don't tell me to calm down. You might not believe in a woman. But can't you go digi? What were you expecting? You were expecting my daughter to be happy that your mother got ill, or to tell you that she killed your mother? Why would you even nurse that idea in your mind in the first place? Why would you?
Mama, please.
Hey, Aslam, please.
Mama, calm down. Let me finish.
Finish. When my mother-in-law got ill, I felt bad. I was even willing to borrow money from anywhere as long as we were able to save her life. Then when the doctor now said that her chances of surviving the sickness was very slim, and I thought of it. If we spend our life savings trying to save her, at the end of the day, she will still die. That was when I tried to convince my husband.
Yes, and what happened? Go on.
Like I said, I tried to convince my husband. Because already, the people I was owing were already on my neck. And there was no way to settle them. My husband was insisting on spending all our life savings to save his mother. So I needed to do something.
Really? You tried talking to Kenneth and he refused. You went and borrowed money without telling me. Even when I asked you, you denied it.
Honey, I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you because I didn't know how to tell you what I wanted to use the money for.
Lisa.
Then what happened? Why are you beating around the bush? Tell us what you did to my mother.
That fateful day.
So Clinton was right all this while.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
You killed my mother. Lisa, so you killed my mother.
I'm sorry.
The woman that loved you so much.
Oh.
Hey, this girl was a vampire.
My God will punish you. So you killed my mother.
I'm sorry.
Hey, God.
I'm
You
sorry.
will pay dearly.
Hey!
Mona Lisa, how could you? How could you? How could you bring this kind of heavy shame upon my family? Mona Lisa, you love someone. Who told you? Mona Lisa,
please. Oh, please. Oh, please. Oh.
I used to think that my wife is the best woman in the whole world. How unfair life can be.
Kenneth, I really don't understand you. I feel your pain.
No. No one ever know how I was feeling. I loved my woman. She showed me love. Undiluted love. But I never knew her heart is still with her ex.
I want you to know something, Kenneth. You can't control how you feel about people, especially people's emotion. You can only control how you see them.
Joel, I loved my wife so much. I loved that woman. Oh, I was fooled. How can I explain to my kids that my wife, their mother, killed my mother? Just because she wants to satisfy her ex.
This is very heavy. But what will you do now? What's the way forward?
I don't know. But as for the marriage, I don't think I can continue with it. Then, it's for killing my mother. Oh, God. For killing my mother. Guys, she go pay.
Dearly, I must say.
She go pay.
Dearly.
She will pay. She will pay for it.
So Kenneth, how's the case coming up?
Cool. I've actually handed her over to the police. Yeah, let her face the full wrath of the law. Yeah.
It's better. Let the law take its full course instead of soiling your hands.
You're right.